Hey everyone, this is CryptoBisto here and welcome to my day 49 results of staking Wonderland time. Okay guys, I'm still really excited because if you didn't know, recently Wonderland time has been peaking up in price. Okay, it has been, have a slight comeback. So yeah, if you actually bought it in the low 3000s, you're sitting already at some nice profits. Okay, but yeah, let's enter the app and make sure to tell me down below, okay, in the comments, how much you've made so far with Wonderland time. But basically, as you can see right now, my balance is at 0.256701, which is, once again, the staking still works because compared to yesterday, the balance still increased by a bit, so the rebase is working. So basically, remember guys, one memo equals one time. So basically, I have this amount staked in time. So basically, this is the amount of time I'm getting every 8 hours because of the APY. And yeah, so basically every 8 hours I'm getting 0.60% compounded to my balance. And basically, if the APY stays around the same that it's currently today at 71,000, I should get around 9.42% every 5 days increased on this balance. Okay, which is really good, especially after it really gets interesting, when we're getting closer to a year of staking. But it's really cool to know that my balance increased in the past 49 days. When I started, this balance was only at 0.10, so it more than doubled, which is really good in terms of, my staking balance. So I always like to show you guys the calculator. So basically from now on, if I would leave this for 365 days, so a year from now, I would get back $790,112, which is really nice to see. Okay, because I only invested initially $900. Okay, because basically back then when I bought it, I bought 0.10 worth of time, but when I bought it, the price of time was $9,000. So basically, if you do 0.10 times 9,000, that makes $900 initially invested. Okay, and I never invested more. It's just like I said, this is an experiment to see what happens if with my $900 if I just leave it for 365 days. And guys, I always say this: your profits on Wonderland time will vary from person to person because it really depends on what was the price when you bought Wonderland and what's the price of Wonderland now. Now, basically, the thing with me is that I bought into Wonderland when it was at a really high peak price. Okay, it was at around $9,000. So remember that. Now it's gone really down. Okay, and that's why in the beginning of the video I said if you guys invested initially, like when it was in the low 3000s, you're already looking at some nice profits. But yeah, let's see how much I've actually made. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this amount I have so far. I'm gonna go to CoinMarketCap and on the Wonderland time converter and paste my balance. And as you can see over here, I have 1,107, which is really good. Okay guys, because as you know, initially invested $900, so this means I'm up now $207 with Wonderland time. Okay, because of the recent price increase. Okay, and it's still looking pretty good in the 4,000s. Now think about it, guys. This is why I really like time a lot, and it's a cool experiment, but this is why I really believe in Wonderland time, and this just shows how profitable this can be if it's actually legit. Think about it. I've invested when it was at $9,000, and I am still up over $200, even if the price from when I bought it literally is almost like half of it. This is how crazy this is. This is why I love it so much. Think about it. I bought it at $9,000. It's currently at 4.3K, but I'm still in a $200 profit. Okay, which is absolutely crazy. And we'll see day by day, guys. But I swear to God, guys, if the price stays the same and the APY stays the same as today, that's when it really starts. You see it to start making really good gains in like the 200-day mark, 300-day mark. Those are really going to be nice when we're going to be there, guys. So I can't wait. But yeah, Only time will tell, guys, but hopefully you enjoyed. Once again, make sure to like and subscribe if you are a Wonderland time staker, and make sure to subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more Wonderland time updates on my staking. All right, see you in the next one.